dragging the car. I don't know what's going on here. Look at that. That's on the freeway going up the Cajon Pass. Oh my God. Why were you driving so far?
Car?
Dude, the guy's on in your car.
I didn't know it.
What do you mean you didn't know it, dude? He's on your truck. You need to get out of your truck right now. He's literally on your truck.